Capitalism and democracy are two distinct but often interconnected systems. Capitalism is an economic framework where private individuals or businesses own the means of production and operate them to maximize profits, while democracy is a political system in which citizens hold governing power and exercise it through direct participation or by electing representatives in free elections. Both systems rely on individual freedom, yet their interaction can lead to both collaboration and conflict. Consider South Korea. After transitioning to democracy, its rapidly expanding capitalist economy led to notable improvements in living standards. However, this growth also brought challenges like income inequality and environmental degradation. South Korea's experience reflects how capitalist success within a democratic structure can boost a country's global standing, while also highlighting tensions that can arise when economic priorities outweigh environmental and social considerations. The intersection of capitalism and democracy ties into discussions of sustainability, environmental responsibility, and the role of IT. First, economic growth in capitalist systems often leads to environmental pressures due to resource exploitation. Second, democracy provides a platform for advocating for sustainability reforms. Finally, information technology may be able to catalyze increased transparency and governance, potentially balancing the scales between economic and environmental priorities. Each factor highlights different ways in which democratic and capitalist systems can influence sustainable development. The coffee industry in Brazil is a striking example of capitalism and democracy at work. Brazil is the largest coffee producer in the world, and much of its economy and political discourse revolves around this vital crop. While the industry has expanded significantly under capitalist principles, the environmental impacts, such as deforestation and habitat loss, pose serious challenges. Here, democracy plays a crucial role. Policies supporting sustainable farming practices and preserving local ecosystems often emerge from democratic debates, reflecting the voices of those impacted by agricultural expansion. The discussion surrounding capitalism and democracy is closely connected to three key areas. First, populations around the world consider the ethical implications of how economic growth sometimes disregards social fairness. Second, exploring how environmental changes influence human health reveals biological connections, reminding society of the importance of healthy ecosystems. Finally, these systems highlight the role of cultural values in shaping how countries address the balance between economic and ecological well-being. Together, these areas illustrate the complex relationship between capitalism, democracy, and sustainability.